I could look like this, or I can make myself look like a Cheeto. I'm going to show you how to download these filters so you can use them as well. First thing you're going to do is you're going to type in Snap Camera, and you're going to go to the website, and it's going to take you here, Snap Camera, and basically it's just pretty much Snapchat, but it's going to be for your PC. And you click on download, you hit agree, and probably like mostly everybody, nobody reads this stuff anyways, and you just kind of cross your fingers, hopefully nothing bad happens. You're going to put your email in there, and then you have two choices. You could either download it for a Mac or you could download it for a PC, depending on which platform you have. Once you downloaded it, you can open it up, and what you're going to see is this layout right here. Just to get you started, here's a couple of things you can look at. If you scroll down, you're going to have different categories. You can choose a category, and basically on here you're going to be able to change up the way you look. So for instance, I can give myself that 90s style. I can even save it. So if you look here, the 90s style, there's a little star already chosen. It's how you create a favorite, and it'll be stored up here. So if you want to access it later, you click on this little star right here, and those are the ones that I've saved so far. You click on it and it'll change it up for you. And another feature, if you look at this button right here, you click on it, you can create a fast key. So like while you're in a web chat with someone, you can bring it up much faster. And so I can hit something like, I could put Control 5, save it, boom, and I got my hotkey. So I have so far different ones. You can see 5, 7, 8. So if I go back here, if I hit Control 5, it'll bring it up. If I hit Control 7, it'll bring that one up. Hit Control 8. So you can see it's a faster way to switch it without having to actually go into the software to do so, or like without having to come here and having to click on things to change it up. And when you're using your webcams, you might notice that if you need to access it, you just gotta basically go to wherever the settings are, whatever software you want to use it, or whatever webcam it is, and choose Snap Camera. And there you have it. This is how you can create filters so you can make your presentations a little bit more entertaining for your students, or if you just want to talk to other teachers and be weird and funny, be the odd one in the group, you can do so. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, support this channel, and visit the website if you haven't done so already. See ya!